Next condition, addition of NOCl and HOCl and ICl and ICN. These all are addition of alkenes. When alkenes react with NOCl, alkenes react with HOCl, alkenes react with ICl and alkenes react with ICN. So these all are undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. We know electrophilic addition reaction, student, that is this double bond is one propene is there. Generally we know this bond shifting towards right side only. Why? Because of due to the plus I group is there. This is plus I group, electron releasing group. So that's why this bond shifting towards always right hand side. We get that is CH3 CH plus then CH2 minus. This is the minus. So the first step is bond breaking. But here what about this one is NOCl? NOCl is called the nitrosyl chloride. This is nitrosyl chloride. This name is called NOCl. NOCl, that is nitrosyl chloride. In nitrosyl chloride, which one out of these two, which one is electrophile and which one is nucleophile? Generally this N double bond over here, chlorine and nitrogen, these both are equal, almost all equal electronegativities, but here chlorine is getting, that is chlorine getting negative charge and nitrogen getting positive charge. Here bond breaking in between Cl and NO, that is linkage in between bond in between Cl and nitrogen, not oxygen. Student, NOCl means that is bond in between oxygen oxygen and chlorine is not possible, but here bond in between chlorine and nitrogen. So here bond breaking, this chlorine getting negative charge and nitrogen getting positive charge. So here this NO group is electrophile, this NO plus is electrophile and Cl minus is nucleophile. So in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. This electrophile will attack this position. Electrophile will attack this position. We get intermediate carbocation form CH3 CH plus then CH2NO. This is the intermediate compound is for intermediate carbocation form. Then after that here nucleophile will attack. Nucleophile here Cl minus is a nucleophile. This Cl minus will attacks this position. This Cl minus will attack this position. We get final product, that is CH3 CH Cl and CH2NO. This is the final production. This is the final production. So this is also very most important, student, when alkenes react with nitrosyl chloride. So here in this nitrosyl chloride, which one is electrophile and which one is nucleophile, it is very most important. Is Cl minus is nucleophile, NO plus is the electrophile. This is very most important, student. Now next application, that is second one when second application, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with hypochlorous acid HOCl. What is the product, student? In HOCl here, this oxygen having more negative charge compared to bond in between oxygen and chlorine. Out of these two, which one is more electronegativity is compared to chlorine? Oxygen is more electronegativity, chlorine is less electronegativity. So that's why bond breaking in between. So oxygen getting this complete OH group getting negative charge and Cl is positive charge. You remember, so it is very most important, student. This OH minus is OH minus plus, but then Cl plus. This OH minus is nucleophile. The Cl plus is electrophile. So in we know that is what is the product, student? That is the first step is bond breaking. We get here this carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. I am writing final production. CH3 CH OH then CH2 Cl. This is the final production. This is also anti-addition reaction. Anti-addition means like this. Anti-addition reaction. This is also anti-addition reaction. The next one, student, that is ICl, that is interhalogens. That is interhalogen bond is present. Now third one is CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of ICl. We know in between which one is more electronegativity, already we know, that is this both are same group. See, both are same group. Iodine is positive charge and chlorine getting negative charge. Why? Because of compared to in between, it is interhalogen bond is present. It is interhalogen bond, that is chlorine is more electronegativity than iodine. So this chlorine getting negative charge, iodine getting positive charge. This chlorine is nucleophile and iodine is electrophile. So in this electrophilic addition reaction, this bond shifting towards here, this carbon getting negative positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. So I am writing final product, student. This I plus will attack this position, Cl minus will attack this position. We get final product, student, that is CH3 CH Cl and CH2 iodine. This is iodine. So this is also anti-addition. It is also undergoes anti-addition reaction. Now fourth application is, that is ICN. Now fourth application is, that is ICN. CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of ICN. That is, we know that is I plus and Cn minus. Iodine is electrophile, Cn minus is nucleophile. Here also this bond shifting towards right hand side. This carbon getting positive and this carbon getting negative charge. What is the direct production? This I plus will attack this position. Cn minus will attack this position. So what is the final product, student? That is CH3 CH Cn then CH2 I. This is the final product. It is also anti-addition reaction, student. So these are the important, very most important for EAMCET, NEET and other competitive exams also, student. So these are the important addition reaction, that is addition of NOCl, addition of HOCl, addition of ICl, addition of ICN. So it is very most important, that is nitrosyl chloride is very most important. So it is previous question. Nitrosyl chloride is very most important. In nitrosyl chloride is Cl minus, chlorine is getting negative charge, NO is the positive charge. So here NO plus is electrophile, Cl minus is nucleophile. So it is very most important for competitive exams. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.